changing the curtain wall panel to a door panel. So here, first of all, let's take a look at how I toyed with different mullions. So here you can see, and by the way, you can click, get your finger on the tab and keep tabbing until you get this element that you are interested, like let's say that mullion. So here, that mullion is 4 by 8. If I picked on this one, is 2 by 4. If I picked on that one, is 2 by 6. So notice how I toyed with different type, and this one is 6 by 8. Because I wanted to recess these and make them minor in comparison to the vertical ones, and certainly with the bottom and the top as well. So now we're going to go to the elevation, south elevation. We're going to keep our finger near here and keep tapping until, so I keep clicking on the tab until I get this panel where I'm going to place the door. When I get that, you notice on the properties it will say system panel glazed. So I look at what are my options. So I don't have a whole lot of options right now, but I can go into edit and I can also load different types. So I'm going to load a door. So I'm going to U.S. Imperial Library. I'm going to go to door, and there is a single door that's used for the curtain wall, and I'm going to open it and I'm going to load it. So that single door, glass door, is fine, what I like, and I say okay. And as soon as I did that, notice this dash line, that means that there's a door. So now if I go back to my level 1, I actually see the door, and I can just flip the door opening this way or the opposite directions. So that's how we actually create doors. And here you can see, depending on where I'm actually cutting, my window frame and my mullions vary.